Today we're making candy corn.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I am Christian.
I am Kelly.
And we are making candy corn today. So get ready for that sweetness.
You know, all women want are pockets and autonomy over their bodies. That's really all we want.
How could you?
How hard is that?
What we're going to do first is blend together the confectioner's sugar, the powdered milk, and the salt.
Not the... Whoa.
See? Trick for your treat, bro. And then we're going to just kind of get it to a fine powder. 3.5 cups.
I have to do this 3.5 times.
Mm-hmm. We're going to do it 3 times. This is your half. Now we want a half a teaspoon of salt. Powdered sugar. Psych! Powdered milk. Tricked ya! Tricked ya!
You're just full of it tonight. Oh, what kind of scary story can we tell in this episode?
Taxes! Okay, I think it's done. We just wanted it to be a finer powder.
Okay.
And so it is. For our next adult
Trick.
beverage. For our next trick.
Adult beverage.
We will achieve candy corn cocktail madness. We've got candy corn infused vodka.
Wait a second. Is that... Did you add any other color besides...
Nope, just candy corn.
That is just candy corn vodka? Holy shite.
You gotta let it settle down to the bottom. Yeah, nose. Okay, yeah, they're starting to separate out, you see? Cheers.
Candy corn!
Candy corn!
Cheers to Halloween and candy corn and friendship.
Oh, that's boozy. It's like all booze. Yeah, I'm better at booze than she is. This whole stick of butter is going in. That's what makes candy corn delicious.
All that butter.
Cup of that. Ew, it queefed. Whoa. That's like gleefing. My grandma would put heavy whipping cream over like my sorbet, and it would harden because of the fat in it. And so you'd have like, it was so good. It was so good.
Your scary story?
That is my scary cholesterol story, yes. Oh, Kelly! Whoa! Good thing it's got a great viscosity. It's time to do a cup and a half of sugar.
Oh.
Ah! You gotta lick it
I
off.
got the viscous on you.
I'm viscous now.
At least it doesn't taste like gelatin.
Like viscosity?
Like, at least it doesn't taste like viscous.
Alright, a teaspoon of glycerin.
Do I turn it on now?
Yeah, turn on medium. So probably let it sit for a little bit. Let the butter liquefy. That way you can have more liquid to stir it around with. We want it to get to 235.
That's
33. Alright, we're good. Alright, now we're going to let it cool. We're going to divide it into separate balls of candy corn dough. Boom.
Candy corn dough.
It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Two, three. Okay, so you can have red. We'll make the smallest one white. And I'll be yellow. We're gonna put a couple of these. We'll put some of these. No.
Why?
Because then it'll make it orange.
Yeah, it's supposed to be orange, not red.
Rudy.
Jesus. That's so old.
Alright, so
Who
now I'm
cares?
just gonna make this into like a rope.
My entrails.
There. Oh, why would you rip them apart? But we're gonna take some dough. Whoa! So much for that.
There's so much.
And then we press it into the mold. Grab your mold, get to pressing. Yeah.
Can I come with these things?
Yeah. So the ones in the molds are going to take about an hour to cure. But these guys we did earlier, and they're ready and delicious. So let's try them.
That's yummy.
It is yummy.
Homemade candy corn is the best candy corn.
That's true. The only good candy corn. Alright, well, happy Halloween, y'all.
Happy Halloween, y'all!
Stay spooky and subscribe, yo. We will see you on our next Halloween do.